Yeah, big news flash. I don't think you wanna miss this one. With a company called ClickBank. It's a legit company for doing online marketing and online business. So for the 2020, all of those who want to do business online, here's the right place to be. Nowhere else. Look right here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. The first link where you can get to sign up on this program, which is ClickBank of this program. There is a legit company. You don't have to worry. And they promise that if you don't love the service, what they provide, you can get your money back within 30 days. And then is all bought over the whole entire group. So you really have to worry about them. Say it's a scam or anything. It's a legit company. What they do, they provide a marketplace for you where you can sell your own product or you can sell other people's product and make money. So I have a video which I'm gonna let you see how it possibly works. ClickBank University, they provide you with 8 weeks of training how to do business online. ClickBank University, they teach you how to do business online and to run your own business, to sell your own product and other people's product, and you can make money. Now they have a special offer to all people who love to do business online. I would like to do business online. Sorry about that. And don't forget, if you are looking for a get rich quick program, it's not gonna be here. Meaning like you just push a button like now and you're rich the next second, or you sign up today and tomorrow you're rich. No. Nothing, and I need whole entire life, nothing could never go like that. And no time, lifetime at all. You know, you take a little time and then you work your way to the victory and be the person who you want to be. So if you're looking for an original business place to start a business, look right here. So let's jump into the video. You can see a little more about them.
You're one step away from joining us at ClickBank University, and I hope you're excited. What I want to do is give you a quick overview of some of the biggest things you're going to be getting inside. The first is our core program. That's 8 weeks of training from Adam on how to become a super affiliate. This is going to be great for you if you don't want to have to create your own website or your own product. Just promote other people's products and make commission. The second path is to be a vendor. That's a product owner, and I teach that in a 12-week program. So this is going to be great for you if you're really excited about creating your own product around something you're passionate about, and by getting other affiliates to promote your product for you. And if you don't know where to start, don't worry. Both are included inside of your membership. So you can decide to start with affiliate or the vendor, or just do both. The next thing are our interviews from industry experts. We've interviewed some gurus online that you've probably heard of, and a lot that you haven't, who are behind the scenes making millions of dollars online. We interviewed them, asked them some tough questions like, what does it really take? What kind of struggles did you face? And what are the best things for our members to learn from? You're also going to get access to what we call the toolkit. The toolkit is a library of videos that you're going to get access to that are going to show you the best, the cheapest, and a lot of times free tools to use to automate all the technical aspects of creating your business. So those are going to become really helpful when you're following along on your journey to online success. The next thing is something we didn't mention in that sales video that you were just watching. As a special unannounced bonus, if you join today, we're going to be giving you unlimited crash courses. These are courses that we've created in the past that are things like YouTube ads, things like how to become an influencer in your niche, or the best and most secretive copywriting strategies to boost your conversions and turn visitors into customers. These are courses we've created, but we're going to be adding new courses in the future as well. And if you join today, these crash courses that we sell separately are actually going to be free to you. So that's an amazing bonus, and we're really excited to offer it to you, but we can only offer it to you if you join today. Maybe most importantly that I wanted to get across in this video is that every single week we're going to be doing live Q&As where you can ask me directly any questions you might have, ask for any feedback or anything you want to help you get to that next level in your own business and make sure that you're never left behind. You're also going to get access to a community that we built out that's only for CBU members. And this is a forum that you're going to get access to right when you get inside. Make sure to check out the forum area and join that. You're going to be able to get help from other members. You're going to be able to team up network. You never know if your next business partner is hanging out inside the forum. So what I want you to do is go ahead, join us, fill out the information below, and let's get started, and I hope to see you inside. By the way, rest assured your payment is secure and it's backed by ClickBank's own 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to risk, nothing to wait for, so fill out the information below and I'll see you inside.
And please, if you love what I am showing right here and it works for you, you can subscribe and like, a thumbs up, and comment on the video. And press the bell icon so that whenever time put out a video, I can notify you. I'll be always putting out videos on how to make money online and how to get work online. Yeah, and remember to share it with all the contact that you have, as much as you can share it, and ask them to share it too. Because they provide you with training. As you watch the video, you see you can get the training. So as soon as you finish the process, you're a real business person, you know exactly what you can start earning your money online. So just share the video, comment and like and subscribe, and tell all those